Nigam Bodh Ghat. Over there is the ISPT bridge, and this is the glass of water we had just pulled out of River Yamuna.
The color of the water may come as no surprise, but what data tells us about the Yamuna River in Delhi will make your stomach churn. The health of a river is broadly gauged by three factors. One of those is fecal coliform. It indicates the level of sewage contamination in the water. 500 mpn is considered an acceptable level for bathing. The level here at Nigam Bodh Ghat, where we fill the glass full of black colored water, is over 1100 times that number at 5,90,000 mpn. As the Yamuna goes further downstream towards Noida, the fecal coliform levels are close to 7,900,000. More than 15,000 times what's acceptable.
वो लोग ये कहते हैं कि उन्होंने यमुना के पानी से घर में खाना बनाया है.
As hard as that is to believe, it's not that the Yamuna enters Delhi as a stinky, dead river. Quite the contrary. The first major change in the Yamuna is at the Hathni Kund barrage in Yamunanagar, where most of its water is diverted into eastern and western canals. That's a massive reduction of 80% in its water flow. The next stop where the Yamuna flow is constricted again is here at Palla, where it enters Delhi.
We are at Wazirabad Barrage, and condition of River Yamuna is still very good. So this is sample of River Yamuna. You can see there is some opacity, but water is still much cleaner than what it was downstream.
It's after the Wazirabad barrage that the real assault on the river goes into overdrive. This is the main polluter of Yamuna in Delhi. The Najafgarh drain carries effluents not just from Delhi's drainage system, but also Gurgaon and South Haryana. By the time the Yamuna exits Delhi, it's hard to tell it apart from a sewer. Nothing more than a dead river that makes headlines every once in a while. Plans to clean up the Yamuna have been floated since 1993, but few have moved past the token photo ops. Delhi has 37 sewage treatment plants that are supposed to stop the contaminated water from reaching the river. Festering fecal coliform levels show otherwise. Add to that the sewage from unauthorized colonies along the Yamuna, and the chokehold on the river worsens. After its emphatic win in Delhi, the BJP has promised to clean up the Yamuna in 3 years. For the Yamuna to truly come back to life in Delhi, it needs a coordinated effort on a war footing to increase the water flow in the river, vigilantly monitor sewage treatment plants and build more if needed, stop sewage and effluents from entering the river, and a leadership that takes ownership.
पहले यहाँ मेला लगता था जमुना बाजार में, क्योंकि हरियाणा प्रांत के जो लोग हैं ना, उनका यह तीर्थ स्थान है. जैसे कि यूपी वाले, जैसे कि क्या नाम, गंगा जी किनारे जाते हैं, हरिद्वार वगैरह जाते हैं, तो जैसे हरियाणा वगैरह के जो लोग थे वो यहाँ पर आते थे, स्नान वगैरह करते थे, तो यहाँ मेला लगता था. उनके जो संस्कार होते थे वो यहाँ होते थे. लेकिन अब यहाँ जल साफ नहीं है, तो वह लोग यहाँ आना